Welcome back to RC Camping and Crawling. Here we are again up on top of this hill, just like last week, although there's no beautiful sunrise. We do have this lovely fresh bit of snow, which is going to make for some great shots. Today we're trying out the completely stock Axial SCX-24. I'm going to take it for a little run here. Nothing too exciting, or nothing too crazy because it is a stock truck, but we're going to go kind of from here down this little hill in the center of the screen, up that path to that point and probably back. So very similar to the last video with the Chevy K10 and the chains. It's a very pretty morning. It's actually snowing and foggy, which is interesting, especially when you get up in the higher elevations. But for now, sit back, relax, enjoy this awesome scale footage of this little truck, and thank you again for watching. Okay, so little 24 scale made it completely stock. We're over there, drove this little valley. Now we're up here. So I think it's a good truck. It's a lot of fun to drive. The local hobby shop had this thing on sale. It's half off, just over $100, so I couldn't say no. Definitely recommend it if you're looking for like a little RC for a gift or something. It's really, really fun. And there's a lot of potential here to modify. There's almost endless modifications. So cool truck, and it looks really great. The red paint on it looks really, really nice, especially with the tinted windows in the driver and all the black accessories. So thanks again for watching. If you have a moment and you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe. I super appreciate it. Keeps me motivated, keeps me going. So I'll drive it back to where I started now. Thanks again for watching, and we'll talk to you in the next one. It definitely needs some heavier wheels at the very least. So it's part of the gift. Stocking stuffer might be a set of heavy wheels. That being said though, this thing looks great. Tons of fun. So probably don't even need the wheels, but it would kind of elevate the performance for sure.